Fingerprint is a device intelligence platform built for high-scale web and mobile applications. It achieves 99.5% accuracy in identifying online visitors, with a fast response that enables real-time decisioning and high-quality, detailed data that lets you build smarter actions. Fingerprint identifies anonymous visitors by assigning a unique visitor ID and maintains a history of repeat visitors along with several key device attributes. Even when visitors use a VPN or browse incognito, Fingerprint works when other solutions can't. In fact, Fingerprint meets all of the toughest identification challenges. It does this by gathering over 70 unique attributes from your website or mobile app, applying server-side analysis including machine learning to accurately identify users. Fingerprint also works on your mobile device applications and presents detailed information about your visitors to drive sophisticated behaviors. There are three main use cases for developers to incorporate Fingerprint into their web and mobile workflows. Let's see an example for each of these use cases. To stop online fraud, Fingerprint can help prevent account takeovers using stolen credentials. Even with the correct login, the user is forced to confirm their identity with a second factor. To give anonymous users a personalized experience, Fingerprint's unique ID lets us maintain browser state. Even though we haven't created an account or logged in, as we switch user profiles, the shopping cart and search context is maintained for the user. Next, we want new visitors to our site to have an easy and streamlined experience. Fingerprint identifies new unique users so that we can let them sample content, up to a point. Even when switching to browser incognito mode, the user is still identified and encouraged to subscribe. Only Fingerprint has smart signals. These are advanced indicators that provide better and more detailed data for machine learning and other processing. Let's see how just a couple of these signals work. The Fingerprint Browser Bot Detection Smart Signal identifies bot traffic in real time on your website or mobile device. It can distinguish between real users and friendly SEO bots versus malicious bots, so that you can take appropriate action. The Fingerprint IP Blockless Matching Smart Signal checks IP addresses against a database of blocked addresses. It can detect known anonymizing services and allow you to lock out malicious actors. Built by developers for developers, Fingerprint offers well-documented SDKs, libraries, webhooks, and APIs for developer teams to easily integrate device identification into existing web and mobile workflows. Developers can leverage an extensive list of front-end and server-side framework integrations, including Android, Angular, iOS, JavaScript, Next.js, Node, React, Svelte, Vue, and many more. Fingerprint works by embedding a small JavaScript agent into your web or mobile app. The agent sends multiple device attributes to the Fingerprint server for analysis. The Fingerprint server uses machine learning and other processing to generate the visitor ID and other visitor information, including smart signals. Let's see how easy it is to add Fingerprint to a React application. First, we create a new React application, change into the application directory, and install the Fingerprint React dependency. In a code editor, first open the index.tsx file and import the dependency. Next, wrap your top-level component using the FPJS provider component. Grab your public API key from the Fingerprint app settings page and paste it into the code. In the app.tsx file, replace the boilerplate code with the Fingerprint sample code from the website. Start the application, and success. We see the Fingerprint visitor ID, and even if we open an incognito window, the visitor ID continues to correctly identify the user. Fingerprint is compliant with all modern security standards and is kept up to date with browser updates and modern fingerprinting best practices. And it uses no PII to identify user devices. Developers trust Fingerprint because of its open source foundation, released in 2012 as Fingerprint.js. Since then, Fingerprint has been used to identify billions of users at over 6,000 companies and is used by dozens of commercial and open source security products. To get started with the most trusted device intelligence platform, visit our website and check out the demonstrations and use cases. Or start a free trial and experience all the features of Fingerprint with your own web and mobile applications. Thanks for watching.